I'm Craig Strickland, the owner of Banyan Restorations, and we never know what's going to go on from day to day when we come to work. It could be as varied as building a tabletop or restoring rattan chairs that need a new fresh coat of paint. It could be building a mahogany or walnut or cherry river table out of the particular species of wood and colored resin. Or it could be restoring someone's belongings that have been in a fire and nearly destroyed.
I'm making a walking stick slash staff, but I'm making it out of 4 different kinds of material of wood. I'm going to quarter each one of these. I'm going to make 4 of these different kinds of wood. I'm going to quarter them, put them in a pipe, glue them up, and twist it before the pipe sets. Before the glue sets. So hopefully it's a tight, nice staff with a fluted twist all the way up using 4 different contrasting colored woods. I hope it works.
So we get to problem solve as a team every day, and it's an effort. We all have different gifts, and so if I know just a little about something, but William knows a lot more, I'll say, hey William, what's your opinion about so-and-so? Or if it happens to be something Nick knows more about, I'll say, Nick, how would you handle this? Or Taylor, what would you do in this situation? We all kind of collaborate with one another. If you like what you're seeing and you'd like to see more of it, go to our website at banyanrestorations.com and take a look at our blog. And if you're interested in learning how to make pens, I'm thinking about having a pen teaching school. And so let me know if that's something you'd be interested in being a part of. It'll cost money, but it'll be fun. Let me know. Punch, subscribe, and like, and let me know what you're interested in. Thanks.